Good morning, students. Welcome to science class. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Students, let's continue chapter 4, Separation of Substances. In today's session, we will continue our topic of methods of separating the components of mixtures of solids which do not dissolve in liquids. Students, in the previous session, we had learned about the methods of separation of solids that do not dissolve in liquids, such as sedimentation, decantation, and loading. In today's session, we will learn about filtration and centrifugation. Filtration. Students, in order to make tap water fit for drinking, we often filter it. In this process, the insoluble solid impurities are separated from the water to make it fit for drinking. Filtration is therefore a process of separating insoluble solids like mud, tea leaves, etc. from a liquid using a fine porous material called the filter. Let us understand the process of filtration with the help of an activity. Take some muddy water in a beaker. Also take a piece of filter paper. Cut the filter paper into a circular shape, fold it and form a cone. Fit the cone into a funnel and hold it with your thumb. Moisten the cone with some water. The wet filter paper will now stick to the walls of the funnel. Place this funnel on the funnel stand. Place a clean beaker below the funnel. The tip of the funnel should be within the beaker and should be near its top. Slowly pour the muddy water along a glass rod into the funnel. Clean water passes through the pores of the filter paper and gets collected in the beaker kept below the funnel. This clean water is called the filtrate. The mud, solid impurities that remains on the top of the filter paper is called the residue. Students, the method of filtration is used to separate out tea leaves from tea. We use a sieve for it. Filtration is also used by the Water Works Department to purify water. They use layers of gravel and sand to filter very large quantities of water. Centrifugation. Students, it is a method used to separate the fine particles suspended in a liquid by rotating the mixture at a high speed. It is done with the help of a machine called centrifuge. The heavier particles tend to settle down at the bottom of the container, while the lighter ones stay at the top. Separating cream from milk by churning it is an example of centrifugation, often used in many households. Students, centrifugation is widely used in dairies and at homes to churn out butter from cream. Butter, being lighter, floats at the top. Students, This is all about filtration and centrifugation. In the next session, we will learn the methods of separating mixtures of liquids with liquids. Till then, take care. Goodbye.